Hey guys, gwsmallwood, the Shaving Disciple here, and I've got another giveaway to announce. So it's about that time. I try to do these giveaways once a month, and this month I have a special one. So this giveaway is going to be sponsored by ShaveForge. So Eric at ShaveForge sent me a couple of brushes to try out on the channel and review and to give away. So it's now time to give these away. I've done the reviews on them. I'll give you a link up here to some of those review videos if you guys are interested. But this is what we're giving away. 24 millimeter black brown synthetic brush in this mint green handle, and a 20 millimeter 2-band badger in the chrome handle. So these are both really good brushes. I've used them and reviewed them on the channel. So what do you got to do to enter? So first of all, you have to be a subscriber. This is also going to be kind of a 150 subscriber giveaway. I did manage to get to 150 subscribers recently. So thank you to all of you who are watching the videos and who have subscribed. I really appreciate you watching. So to enter this giveaway, you got to be a subscriber. You also have to like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to enter for the synthetic brush, I want you to leave a comment below with a hashtag ShaveForgeBadger, or synthetic, sorry, for the synthetic, hashtag ShaveForgeSynthetic, just like I got it shown on the screen here. Okay, to enter for the badger brush, I want you to leave me a comment below, hashtag ShaveForgeBadger. Now you can enter for both, you can't win both, but you can enter for both. If somebody does happen to get drawn for both of these, I'll pick a new one for the second one. So you can only win one. I want to give these to two different people, but you can enter for both. So leave me a comment below. You can leave both of those hashtags in a single comment. I'll use a random comment picker. This will be going on for, we'll call it probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks, somewhere around there. I'll be announcing the winner in one of my weekend shaving videos. So you do have to watch my weekend shave videos for the next couple weeks to find out if you won, and I'll announce the winner in one of those upcoming videos. So once again, thank you everybody for watching the channel. Thank you very much to Eric at ShaveForge for providing these handles. One thing I did want to mention, I have used both of these about 5 times. Before I give them away, I am going to be using this Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements brush soap to clean and disinfect them. This has vinegar and borax and some other cleaning elements in it. So I will be using the brush soap. I'll probably actually make a video of that just so you guys can see how I clean my brushes. So these will be cleaned up and sanitized before they come to you. So if you want to enter, I told you how. Leave me in the comments below. And thank you guys again for watching the videos.